Assalamu alaikum. Lecture number 9, exercise number 3. It talks about how we can use nested loops to solve the problem. Exercise number 3 says that writes a program that causes the following output to be displayed. User should only specify the maximum number of columns, which is n. As you see in this example, if the n equal to 5, it will produce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, 5 by 5 matrix or values. Now let me take example I equal to 3. When I equal to 3, the first printed number is 1, followed by 2 by 3. Just we notice if I equal to 3, when j equal 1, we are printing 1. When j equal 2, printing 2. When j equal 3, printing 3. That means we are printing the value of j followed by space or nothing. You can do it nothing or space, doesn't matter. Now again, as a nested loop, we have to start, as you see in the slide here, writing the nested loop. We have the outer loop and inner loop. For now, to go from one line to another line, from one row to another row, we are using the I, and for the inner loop, as you see, we have j from 1 to 5, and for the outer loop, I from 1 to 5. So we have to start from the outer loop. I will go from 1 to 5. 5 represent n, so I equal to 1, and it should be less than 5. Actually, not a fixed value, it will be n, because will be entered by user, not 5 always. And regarding j, it will go from 1 to 5, which is again it is n. Now here we can again we have to select to print numbers or spaces. Now we have to find the relation between I and j and n. As example, when I equal to 1, j equal to 1, we are printing the value of j, which is 1, then nothing or spaces. When I equal to 2, we are printing I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, printing 1. I equal to 2, j equal to, print 2, and then spaces. Now when I equal to 3, we are printing the value of j1, j equal 2, and j equal 3, and then spaces. That means we are, if the value of j equal to I or less than I, printing the value of j. This is the idea here, or algorithm. So we can write if the value of j less than or equal to the value of I, in this case print the j value, print a number which is an integer, and this integer followed by just one space as example, and this integer is the j value, semicolon, like this. Else do nothing. We can write else print a space, but spaces to the right, it will not affect the result, so I don't prefer to waste my time and write this line. So just if the j value less than or equal to I, print the value of j. Again, when I equal to 3, j equal to 1, 1 is less than 3, print 1. Then 2 less than 3, print 2. 3 less than or equal to 3, print 3, and so on. So run the program now. We have a mistake here, invalid R value assignment operator. Yes, we forgot the value of j. J should start from 1. Run the program again. Please enter n. This is 5. As you see, for the 5, we are printing 5 rows with 5 columns. In the first column we have 1s, second columns 2s, and so on and so on. Thank you so much.